Advanced dehumidifiers, ideal for home, office and industries. What is dehumidifier? A dehumidifier is a household or industrial appliance that reduces the level of humidity in air, usually for health reasons of man, machine and equipments. Humid air can cause mold and mildew to grow inside homes, which have various health risks. Very high humidity levels are also unpleasant for human being, can cause condensation and can make it hard to dry laundry or sleep. Higher humidity is also preferred by most insects including cloth moths, fleas and cockroaches. Relative humidity in dwelling is around 50%. Dehumidifiers are also used in industrial climatic chambers for keeping desired humidity levels. Moisture spoils food, drugs, etc. and also results in frequent breakdown of equipment and enormous downtime losses in industry. Many mechanical and electronic devices and equipments have serious problem functioning in humid conditions. Dehumidifier eliminates excess moisture from the air, helps prevent rust, mildew, mold, odor and damage to precious equipments and can be used in laboratories, food storage rooms, industries, book storage, museums, music equipments, art galleries, hotels, hospitals, drug manufacturing industries and other areas which need to be protected from humidity. Product range. According to the various needs, Advanced International provides a wide range of dehumidifier. Advanced dehumidifier are available various capacities, standards and various types of design. Advanced dehumidifier ranges are AMDF 100, ALDF 120, A3DF 200, AMDH 280, AMDH 300, AMDH 600, AMDH 900, AMDH 1380, AMDH 1920 and AIDF 300. Except these models, we can design and select our other than above dehumidifiers if your requirement is specific. We can make customized dehumidifier according specification of dimensions and area of dehumidifier, application, initial RH, required RH, number of openings, number of person and products inside room, temperature, types of AC used if any, types of dehumidifier required if decided, location of placement of dehumidifier. Why buy from us? These are world-class dehumidifier fully imported and manufactured with international and European standards such as CE, GS, EMC, LVD, ISO, etc. with competitive price. Aesthetic looks, very easy to install and operate, trouble-free working, power consumption, noise level is very low and it is environmentally friendly, CFC free, readily available and service support in India with large inventories of spare parts and qualified service people. Our dehumidifier is special as it is 3-in-1. It has 3 functions: dehumidifier, cooler and ionizer filter. This is also backed by Advanced International Group, which is having rich experience of more than 30 years in Indian industry and market. About Advanced International. Advanced International Group of companies is an internationally renowned name and is catering to various requirements of India and foreign industries from more than past 3 decades. We have the expertise in the field of designing, engineering, manufacturing and distribution of dehumidifier, air, liquid, gas filters and stainers, air dryers, heat exchangers, etc. Our dehumidifier is very special, 3-in-1 apart from dehumidifier. This is also has cooler and ionizer filter. Our products are well known throughout the industry for their best quality, excellent performance, reliability, cost effectiveness and being user friendly. except dehumidifier, advanced international manufacturing and exporting various industry best products are all types of industrial filter, air, liquid, gas, industrial strainer, simple, YT type, duplex, suction, conical, air dryer, refrigerator and heatless, heat exchangers, oil coolers and radiators, AHU filters, pre, fine and HEPA, demisters, pad, moisture separators, micron filter, liquid filtration plant, filtering media and bags, glass fiber filter mat, air washer unit, air handling unit, air receiver, auto drain, chilling plant, air and water cooled. For more details, please visit our website www.advancedinternational.co.in or www.advancedinternationalgroup.com or www.advancedinternationalgroup.net.